Nendlebe ngize nendaba allegedly kancane kancane uyavela wena, kancane kancane uyavela hale propaganda yakho wena. Yes, kancane kancane uyavela uwaqambelana manje umdala. Uyabona manje kukhona thina ke la ku MK siyazi lento ekhuluma yamanga, so ubusy shuthi zonke lezi zinto manje uyikhuluma la ebantwini wena you cook them. Umdala man baba Mashele man for uqamba amanga man, uqamba amanga nje, uqamba amanga ngoba nakho wena ubizwa nge-political analyst, so you have an authority now to come and lie in front of phambi kwabantu and say that lie that you are saying. Hayi bo, awukahle baba man. I don't know what you're looking for. I don't know why you have to lie like that. It's only you who knows. But stop it. MK is not funded by the Russians. Hey, sase sahlupheka kwa MK. Siyahlupheka mfethu, siyahlupheka. Yabona leskipa lesi. Yabona leskipa lesi. Yabona leskipa. 300 baba. If kukuthi mhlambe bekade iRussia ikhona isifanda ngempela, do you think ngabe sayithenga lezi kipa ngemali ephuma eRussia? Ngabe siyithenga lezi kipa baba. Njengoba sihlupheka ubona, wabona lapha eMabhida ilokhuzana istage nyana so sifanda eRussia. Ngabe besishanga esinye istage esinama disco light baba. Hey baba, yekela uqamba amanga baba. Umdala mongaka, yekela. This thing of you going around lying, you can lie about what we don't know. The history of the ANC or whatever, the NP or whatever, you can lie about those old things. But MK, we are new, we are all new, we know what is happening within the MK. There is no money there. There is no Russian, there's no Putin who's funding MK. Just because there is this good relationship between President Zuma and President Putin, now you're gonna come and lie. Oh, don't do that. Ungayenzi leyo nto baba. Umdala mongaka, yekela manga. Yekela manga. Whoever sent you. And what amazes me about you is that you always talk about the ANC, the MK, the EFF. You never talk about the DA. The ones that we are fighting, you never talk about them. Usafuna le position ye mayorship le yabakuncisha yona, usayifuna, usayikalela. Yini ufunani? Uyincele bani wena? And you must stop this nonsense of yours. Isikhathele uwe wena. Isikhathele uwe umdala for lento yenzayo. Ungazoqamba amanga. Ku MK siyabhatanisa mfethu. Sinamali wena uzokhuluma ukuthi sifandwa iRussia. iRussia isifanda ngayiphi imali? How much did they give MK party? Hayi man, awume man. Hawu. Ungazosidina wena baba.